Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Danganronpa in Roblox Easy Guide. Join the correct server, read rules, and pick a role that fits your playstyle. Communicate clearly and observe other players for clues. Focus on exploring, collecting evidence, and using private chat when needed. Learn trial mechanics, present evidence calmly, and vote based on logic rather than emotion. Practice role interactions to improve bluffing, detective work, and teamwork across matches. Move through rooms methodically and search hidden spots for useful items and clues that others may miss. Interact with objects, note unusual sounds, and bookmark locations to revisit during investigations. Keep a private note list to track contradictions and timelines. Share only necessary hints in public to avoid spoiling strategies. Practice pacing so you can balance exploring with participation in debates and trials while staying calm and focused. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more content. I also want to mention the product shown earlier. Socks Life's Too Short for Cheap Socks go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. It's a small comfort during long sessions and makes a funny but useful gift. Check the description for the link and extra deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. In trials, listen carefully to arguments and note contradictions in timing and alibis. Present evidence clearly, explain why each item matters, and stay concise to keep attention. Ask pointed questions to reveal lies and use private messages to confirm allies. Avoid emotional accusations, stick to observable facts and logical deductions. Practice crafting short, persuasive statements that tie evidence to motive, means, and opportunity consistently during tense discussions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.